think you're gonna leave us a bit?
Me don't tell you already say me and my friend them go hang out, you know, have little fun, so when me ready me call you.
You mean you call me?
Yeah.
Alright, here I go on. I work on a sales tonight, you understand? So you have to call me early than normal. You understand? So me can get ready. Come pick you up in
Alright,
time.
babes, I'm gonna call you. So, babes, you can give me some money because I don't have no money, you know, I go and buy some stuff.
Babes, you understand? Me like month gone, babes. You know what I say? Low, you know. You understand? If anything, I can send something to your card, me try, but you know what I'm going already.
I say no long way wait for Natasha and Browning for come, girl.
Come on, I'm not so long we're out here waiting. Them soon come.
No, girl.
Sister girl! Sister girl!
Oh, love me again for you. Come here, my friend. Yes, girl. Ozzy, just let you have.
Yes, girl.
Good girl, look, man. So, girl, when Natasha there, I know Natasha not reach here.
I mean, I feel so like how as she called me out, I should have reached out to her.
Chairman, you know I'm going like say around time we are wait right here. Just won't come, man.
Gotcha.
Now be express if you know they are but
girl, you take so long to come. Like you did I do something, you know, like you did I mash that little work.
No, so me not take no little bit. I hold the mood of the party. They would reach out.
Like you did I mash that little.
Dark joke, dark joke.
I feel how we do because we buy your lap.
So we not go on with it, no go there. Kiki, come to your hotel work, everything good down there.
Why? I'm not going down there now. I swear right now, I just feel like I want to live.
Girl, they always say that, they always complain and you know you're not live. It's be nice, man. That's what Kiki go and always complain and you not live. You want to live and you're not even look on it for work.
Oh man, I really make up my mind I know. The people them call me an office girl. Don't tell me about tip. So when I'm customer them come push and look at tip in my pocket in a girl. I even did remember say the tip in a pocket to them. And them I can't stress my brain. Me I left for true.
Good girl, you go like you don't know how the working environment go again. All you just to go and hold the work till you get one better. You see me, you just go and do your thing, mama.
Girl, you can't go on, you know. Because you're there with policeman, you know. You know how to work. You know not want to worry about policeman I wash for your plate.
Anyways, enough of that. Natasha, I go on for your store. I say I post up on Instagram and all these things. And I want to tell you say it a go on good. I not tell no lie. And since the other day my man get one deal for me, you know, I say I love you. That's why yes, I post them something on Instagram. But for me, I think for do right now, I want to start make my own stuff them in the store. So that me I work pan right now. But no I talk about it. Because you know say more while I talk about things in a workout. So I just go and work pan it. I love how you go.
Girl, I'm happy for you. Like how things always go your way, you know. It's a go get a girl, I not lie, but no. Nowadays I have to watch out for them, man, you know, good girl. Come in and lie, them an artist boy and me the hotel and me see boy come in and be a bag and get back at them.
Girl, let's say to Kiki, me and you know saying every man stays.
True, because if me did follow people about what they say about policeman, me and my husband who do the right now, he might not have the money, you know, in our way to finance me, but everything I go and good and take care of me, you know.
You can go and talk, you know. But you go and like say the policeman when they catch Boro raise him, they married. Natasha, I'm not tell her to pray a man, but I see these things happen with their work, with the artists, them in and out with woman. I mean, just tell us if you just watch yourself. Hey, girl.
I real talk, you know. I real talk, girl, but don't worry your head, man. Cause, you know, I like myself careless. Hello? Girl, everything alright? You sure? No, sir. No, sir. Oh God, send me picture them on WhatsApp right now, cause just send me them. Me have one plan, alright? Alright.
Girl, you see all them a go and see policeman soon left me no that me a
Girl,
I don't want no policeman.
me have to go away now. Me get a call and me have to go away, so
yeah, going. I love you.
Take care, bro.
Yeah, going so quick, girl. I feel how we
I'm really sorry, so me have to go away, you know, but something really important me get called about. So when we reach home, me text you, alright?
Alright.
Bye.
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 I bet say see your man here on gone too. I hope my man treat her good enough. You know about I hope the boy treat him good enough. I get a good girl.
Hey guys, it's your girl Natasha, and I'm asking you please to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the post notification to be notified when Mr. Lawrence upload new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you a lot.
Girl, you not going like say. Stop, broke out the man. I say girl go on.
Natasha, can people them go?
Alright, and action.
Then one say me I go pan here all day, me I
And that's telling them.
you too. They come like Kiki, she a complain about the work, you a complain about the man. It's over to you.
Action.
You a complain about work, you a complain about man, and you now no life.
Man say action I
Trying to catch me. For some, no, some throat feels swell. Anyway.
I mean, I say I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy just I hard. I say no boy hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades, hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. You know, sometimes man I want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Like that, I'll do good.
My daughter, she go and go to school still, no? Grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing to call upon her name, man, youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad thing to call upon her name, man. Where do you say them thief and she thief and money and them things, and feel embarrassed. You know them way there?
So she?
Well, I hear saying, boy, she told she move, boy, I have to believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say, if you're going to follow rules, follow shit on you, at that. Fear fault, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I'm going to fix it, man. When mama tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl
man.
picking them things, you know. Can't do harsh on them, you know. Take time with them. Girl picking, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I you with them.
Hello.
What?
You know, say your daughter come keep your daughter money where me come from. I want to know how it go, you
I
know.
mean my daughter thief your money. I don't believe that. What not ever say?
Of course she can take me that money. Some want know the money I go now. Ask her how it go.
Look, girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what Brianna there? You see same thing when I tell you about my youth. A bit bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more and my money. I come for just give me money. I go on and I go here. Come in on a long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just work back your money. Come on, a joke.
Collect your money, baby.
Police.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, baby. We are go home.
Yo, where money there? Where take up? Come on, listen to me now. No, just no bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Cause your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that. Just give me people the money.
But me never...
Give me
I write
people
it so
the
I sit down all along. Me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from money on the phone. Me no know where I talk, but me never thief no money. Me no know where people them a talk about. A lot of them a tell for me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tap it nice, man. Me no want to hear nothing more fire, you know. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing, you know. Be a lie, I'm tell upon you, you know. So I keep my little pit in my eye, you know.
You're sorry. You know someone just check out mommy and her friend them. You know Sabriana think Sabriana thief money.
So I want to thief your money. So I want to thief your money and make your money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. Give me it, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. No, if you do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on. Right now, Rasta want his money, and if you don't there beat her, you little daughter for your money. Come on, down a yard to the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody think money, they want blame family come up like people can't take money. No, I don't know. Don't believe me.
Jota! Yo, Jota! Yo! Where there?
Yo! Power the man.
Boy, I know some me a pass. And here little pitney them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him take your money and take your money.
Where say? Where really I talk about? Where I say to me?
Said little girl will come here so with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take your money. Boy, I can't believe I say little pitney in time. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who here, the little girl, attack? Say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so me so come here.
No, I'm not come here to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, nah, I'm sorry, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time you accuse you, you know. You see me? Cause you see it? Them thief the money and then I hear your name I call. That's why I say if you just stay here some man and not come out of yard, man. And not go a people yard. Because them lie and them wicked and them make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today, none tala. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I ride there some day from morning. And I never go nowhere.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there, none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright, then, I'm going to walk over there.
I'm ever tell you something what my old people them used to tell me, say. If you not got follow rules, them own shit by you. You hear me say? Alright. But you don't want nothing to you hear? Thank you guys for watching this great short film that we create. Fire Your Device, you should know that it's Jutarime Star of the Shine with a distant punchline. If you were watching official Jutarime TV, go over to the AV channel and subscribe and share. You know them way that if you were watching over the AV channel, go over to the Jutarime, the official Jutarime channel, and subscribe, and the link will be in the description. You see me? Have a good day and thank you all for tuning in and give us our support. Blessed love.
And action.
You're sorry. You're not so desperate. Don't got me careful.
You know what?
Tell him where you're sitting
You're
here.
going like you know one, then go over to Akeem Lawrence channel.
And them there.
Them
Subscribe.
who did it already, go and go tell who no did it. Go and subscribe to Akeem Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Akeem run things. See, bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe, and Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay. Subscribe, like and share, leave a comment.
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy. Right?
Why you do that?
So do that.
Why you turn off the TV?
You know what? The vibes are gone. We there, we enjoy ourselves and watch a movie. And the movie done, you know? So we want to watch one more movie? Me not understand where you're pan, but me tell you something. Right now, perfect time to do a thing. Listen, we do a thing.
Which thing? Right now I'm in that with you. You see me and watch the TV, you turn it off. True, you want to do thing. What kind of thing? Don't you want to condone me out? It not work. You know, from when me ask if you buy me the perfume, I know you can't buy give me. Yeah man, think. You don't know the Juke perfume where me always buy, he finish and me beg you buy one and you don't buy it online. Everything good.
So,
But you want one bought thing.
so I have to buy perfume to get the thing? No, sir.
You don't have to buy perfume to get nothing. But a long time me ask your feet and you don't give it to me. Now you can ask me for thing. What kind of thing? Me have nothing I give to you.
For yourself. You want a dupe? Me have the loop for you. I have it. You know that already. I just become me at work. I'm a little bit busy. Come on, look on you. I'll take care of you, know. Anything you want, you don't know the thing already. You know what I mean? What you may say? I think, I think started with something.
Don't touch me.
Nothing.
I go fix up myself. You alright?
I wonder if I can, wonder what I can do. If I make shit do the things them what I want. What I can do? I have to think about something now, you know. I have to make a plan. I have to make a plan. I have to make a plan. Babe. You know, say, I have something to talk to you about. I have something to talk to you about, but I never know how to say it to you. I tell you, because a long time I want to say it to you, you know. Because I don't know how you take it. Because guess what now? Me not feel good and me have go to doctor and get a checkup. Because me not feel good. I have to go check up myself because since I leave. Me not 100% right now, I tell you. You know, me never know how to tell you and make you understand because I don't want to sound like I'm a weak man. You know what I mean? A weak.
What do you mean you have to go to doctor? I want to you. Babe, open and hide nothing from me, you know. You know you can't tell me anything. Why you want to go, doctor?
See, I'm not 100 and I'm not talk about no diarrhea or no belly ache or no headache. Me just not feel, you know, me not feel 100. You know yourself, man. You know what I mean?
You can't talk to me, you know. You can't talk to me. Just tell you know say me and you is body like that.
You know what? I'm gonna get a checkup right now because it's serious, you know? It's serious. I mean, no one doctor open 24 hours, 24/7 down in the town. So I'm gonna check them, man. Them available at this time, man. You understand? But I'm gonna check.
You want me to follow you go, doctor?
I don't want to stress you like that. I'm gonna go and then get every information and I'm gonna keep you posted. You know, just take it easy because it's rough for me, you know. I don't want it rough for you.
Listen.
Yeah?
I will follow you go, doctor. Anything happen to you, you need to make me know.
Alright, no reason, man. I go. Matter of fact, I'm going right now.
No, I want to follow you. I want to follow you.
I know you want to follow me. I know you're that kind of
Because I just want to make sure you're alright.
I know. But as you said, don't worry yourself. I will go get every information at my reach. Make them know. And, you know what I mean? Make people posted. No worry yourself. So now I'll go and follow. Yeah?
Alright then.
Alright.
Alright. Let me come. Hello, good night.
Yo!
Oh, you know, see me are working, man. What do you expect for that? Get the office.
If a situation, but I come check you. Yeah?
A situation. Okay. Alright, check my office right now.
You sure you can? Yeah, alright. You're available, right? Me I come check you right now, brother. For a situation, I have to come talk to you right now. Alright, go.
I wonder if he alright. All my head hurt me. I have to go take this. I hope everything alright with him.
What is it?
Me, man. Me, public, yo.
Oh, come in, Mr. Public.
General.
How things? There, man. Life is great, man.
Brother,
Yeah, man.
this can't depend for you, eh?
Can never make our money off of you.
Well, I see the kind of one I had, boy. Yo, you are going now. You have a situation, see? A situation. You see? My woman in my yard, it's like, she don't want to do the things, and brother. And for your things, and what she do is like, you know, she feel like lie down on back and all these things is it. But when I feel say she understands that there's more to the situation. So guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna try to draw out the, you know, draw her out in a different way because she love me still, you know. So I'm gonna do is more of a write one prescription, write something say, me have 6 months to live and me go dead in that 6 months. You understand? So I'm gonna try to use that and see if I can spice up the relationship. I'm not now going brother. I not say a straight freaky thing, no, I'm not upon that like that and But the friend when I want a threesome go on still cause I never get that before. You know what I mean? So you hear me? Wait,
You know what?
Can
You see, every time you always come check me now, I never make $1. But you know, see, tonight is the night I have to make $1 because my paper don't come for free now. But 6 months too long for your wife to give you what you want. I'm gonna write a paper for 3 months. And you get, but you the man, you must done with that freaky stuff. You don't done with it. You load too much on your plate, man. You're taking up too much. I'm gonna write you the paper, but it's gonna be a big cash, you know. I never make $1 for I know you.
money there, man. Money there, man. Me I give you half tonight. Yeah? And then me start you. Okay, you know, so we are birthday. That's far where I come from, brother. So you understand my situation, because you see, if you were in a one situation, you know you can call me. And lie me I tell, you help you already, you know.
Stop it, nice,
You
man.
remember
Just
when me
cool down,
help
man.
you?
Just relax, man.
Help me. Me I pay you. But help me.
No problem. Give me what you have.
Alright, boss, respect. So me call you. Yes, sir.
Alright, no problem.
Boy, you saved me. Yo, you saved me, brother.
You should behave yourself, you know.
Don't worry about that.
No, you young man don't want to behave. You know, I'm a freaking it's going to get you HIV.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You alright? What doctor say?
Maybe I go drink some rum or something. But I tell you, not good news. Not good news. Can't believe this. The doctor said I have 3 months to live.
What?
Myself, man. Myself. So when the doctor tell me that news, I say if he might give me 3 months to live, better not so him dead first. But me not bother doing them foolishness there. It's instead of we there as make ourselves sad of a situation we can't fix. You know what I mean? Make we just enjoy and make the best out of the 3 months here. You understand me? I say, oh, me mean enjoy, I mean, so we do the things them. You know what I mean? Make we do the things them we never do before. You understand? I know you love me, you know, and I know you want the best for me. You understand me? I say, so, I'm going to ask you, what you think? You think we can have the best?
May we do anything at all. Anything at all you want me to do, me we do it.
Anything?
Anything at all you want me to do, me we do it.
Even want threesome?
Anything at all you want me to do, make we do it.
You sure?
3 months time then you're dead? Babe, you better you pray, me no want you to dead. Make anything at all you want me to do. Make me make up my mind to do it. Anything at all.
Anything, right?
Yeah.
Because I guess I know you see, I want you to do some more things, like, you know, to me. Because I always want to enjoy myself to that level, like, you understand? A long time I'll buy one little dress for you, you know. The little dress then, and the thing with the rose, and the thing in it, you know, the little sexy panty, you know what I mean, the little pretty panty, you know. So guess what now? Your best friend, just call her and make sure you know, say, you know, more than one we have a time that she can, you know, like start out the thing for
My best friend?
Yeah. She.
Why you want my best friend? Let me see paper.
Paper, yes, sir.
Alright then. Me go call her.
I'm just cool off if I do it for a second. Yeah? Just cool off because I tell you a lot, right? I'm not call you this friend, yeah? Just
No
call
call
her.
her.
Because we want to get everything started because we don't know what boy. Yes, so kind of. It's a go on. So I'm going to call her here. I'm going to go out the door and go cool out. Alright? Soon come here. You go work out. Sir! Sir! Need a drink, need a special. Sir!
Good night.
Good night. Think alright?
Yeah, why you beating down the shop, sir?
Tonight is a very special night, you know. So, you know, I have a special drink, you know. One of them time for me. Oh, yo. So I want you to, can you sell me a special? Yeah, because, you know what I mean? I want them night that I'm going to enjoy myself. Yes, my general. What you mean? Give me more. Yo, hear what? I pay for that thing. Worry yourself. Give me back your money, sir. Just give me back your money. Yeah.
Respect our manners.
Oh, you mean? So we do it, brother.
Yeah,
So, you know what I mean? Hey, today a special day for me, you know.
Really?
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Why you see them girl a special day, man? That girl look nice.
Girl! Amanda! Amanda! I mean, man. Come here, man. So you going with?
So what?
Not there. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
How you going? Them a time I was there?
Know yourself about that.
My God. So tell me something, Amanda. My girlfriend call you?
No, she never called me.
She for call you, man, because I guess I know. She have something to tell you. She have something to talk to you about.
Is it talk? Why? Your girl. What?
Hey, nice, not true? Yeah, man, the video turn up. Yo, if you're AV, subscribe. And if you're AV, can check out a public report, you know what I mean? Public report with a K. Go subscribe too, you know what I mean? And if you're a public report, do the right thing, just share it, you know what I mean? Thank you. And watch it, I want to go too. You like it? Hey, watch what come next.
Yo, Wagwan! Yo, phone! Me a come! Yo, Wagwan.
Yo, me a sitting serious with you in a forward.
Me know say true me never come and buy film, you know. But I could have come. Sister already them manners in for the yard.
No man, I not that. I sitting serious than that. When me there bargain, my father call me, I would believe when he tell me say.
So your father call and tell you?
Father tell me say me not to left out the yard. To avoid bargain, and me avoid bargain. He go buy one PlayStation 3 for me and one of my friend and he said, who me fi buy from? I tell him say, I want one for you.
You too lie, your father not buy no PS3.
God no, true thing. I run from bargain and come run as I say something happen. I think tell me yesterday.
When you say I'm going to get them?
No, he said if I avoid bargain, so me avoid bargain come on PS3.
Alright, remember what you say no? Remember what you say?
go up now, because mommy no like me come out just now. That TV so, I go up.
Alright, me I can go down to you now if I not lick more.
Oh, Jutta, you may look fine now. You may look fine.
So you didn't even know you.
You know, say, a brown man down the road, see me and say, I want to see you from window.
So the brown man I look for me for, brother. Brown man I look for me for. Tell me some more person. Tell me say I see.
Come on, yo. I'm link the other day for this man to link back. How you see the nurse just lose, so?
Brother, don't lick fire upon that already. That the man the way I talk about joking that, brother. That the man they not strap you. That the man they just used to drive feeking. And me I go tell her me youth say I go buy a PlayStation just to stay in her yard. Brother, that's soft man you. Soft done.
So you say, you sure say everything good? Because that the girl there, you know, normal girl from high school, that girl will slap out people being right, knowing. You understand? So you sure say everything good? Make sure, say you sure say everything good.
My youth.
You understand? Make sure.
When the girl they come there, you see her with no strap. Them now no strap.
So alright then, you have a strapper now?
Me never left it yet.
Trita, I know say I have a strap but I never see it. I see him to she could have her strap, but I never see it. You get to me and say my father.
I understand what you're saying now. But we don't talk to fire, you know. All that, you know. Fire me I work with, you see me? Man said that lost my youth. So I like that. You see me live and pray about that. And my youth, PlayStation money me I pray about right now. You see me? So you can't go and stress out yourself over that. I'm good. You hear that?
That's me general. Still, fire not God, you know. You can't see everything. You understand? Right now, I couldn't talk so loose. Now go and really understand. So we link up. Yeah, well, man.
They'll do some man the work. I can't forget myself out of this God for sake. Tommy. Yeah, I'm busy right now. Parkhouse. Oh. Alright, give me about 3 more hours. 3 more hours and we'll be good. 3 more hours. The thing is, no, a little bit of complication, but it's fine now. I would just say the kerosene I did for the pick up and drop off. She spoiled, so anything spoiled now we have to throw it away. Yeah. Yeah, we go up on the location. It did supposed to start from then, but she come back and tell me say, oh, she's a friend from high school, so she couldn't carry it out, and she even did want to keep the strap. So it just makes you feel like everything alright. I'm gonna figure more or less that she drop some information, so I'm gonna take no check. You understand? So yeah, business as usual. But give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Just stay at the wharf. You don't do the pickup, you know, because we don't want the paper trail lead back nowhere. So you get what I say? So give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Everything will alright. As I say, just run now and like a bit same thing there, so I have to clean it up and yeah. No, Tommy, you have it wrong. You have it totally wrong. Me not interested any at all in taking over fire crime syndicate. Me not interested in that. My plan is to take it down. I know I said precious to him and I know I say I love it. I don't want it. But anything that people love, you take it and you destroy it, then it causes them pain. So in 3 hours time, my friend, 3 hours.
Good evening. Good evening. Your name is Price?
Yes.
So you two you them really out to say your grandson them though?
Yeah man, and my grandson, what happened?
Me don't know how to tell you this now, you know. But you see your grandson them,
Yes.
you have to send them.
Send them my grandson. For what? Why me must send them when now?
One. You see Jota, the serious man, you know, you're not fine. You understand?
Yeah.
And no one go around. You understand?
You understand?
So that's why I'm not sure to listen. Just send me. Well, you grandson them, but no one no trouble. You understand what I'm saying?
Hello, beautiful people. Good evening. Welcome back to the channel. I hear the cricket them. Yes, me know. Lawrence cut to the movie shot. Yes, me understand. I go see a whole heap of comments. I say, Lara, we need to make it longer. Da. Yeah, me understand. But here what I need enough to do. This is what I need enough to do. To help me to make like 1 hour of one to just watch. And before I go any further, this film that you just saw, there's a first part to it. If this is your first time here, there's a first part to it on the channel. So the it's called a takedown just the same. The thumbnail is one of the characters' face, Rory. That young man where his parents don't want him come out of the yard. So you can definitely go and check out that one and da. But yeah, me need enough to like, share and subscribe guys so you can afford me the resources that I need to make full length movies. At the moment I have 0 equipment, 0. But luckily my brethren Richard Brown has the camera, so you know I can go over there, borrow him equipment and film. You get me? So yeah, but apart from that, you are going to need resources like money to pay actors, right? I'm going to need a camera because Richie can't lend me camera them all the time. He have few movies them to make as well. And then he can't big up yourself, him can't lend me equipment. I suppose me go mash you up. What am I gonna do now? And him have difficult to find camera for himself ready and then I go bad. So all I need you guys to do is like, share and subscribe so we can afford some full length movies. Now obviously these films aren't comedy. That's not my life. I'm not a funny person. Majority of my life I was in corporate, I was a part of corporate Jamaica, then law enforcement. So majority of the stories that will come from here, majority of the stories that I'll produce are things that I would have seen in the courthouse, reports that were made to me. And of course, I still have my journal them from when I was a police officer. So those are the things that I'll express in video. So definitely guys, like, share and subscribe so I can get into some full length movies. I enjoy doing this. For everybody who know me know say how Lawrence started out with B-roll and credits to Peter McKinnon. Every single thing I know about filming, video, everything I learned about video, I learned it from Peter McKinnon. He has a YouTube channel on here. If you're interested in learning about filming and video and to use the editing software, how to color grade and to make regular DSLR footage look like Cinecam footage, you can definitely check Peter McKinnon. Big up to Peter McKinnon, although you may not think you might ever see one of my videos, but yeah, credits to him. He is the person that I learned video and video editing from. So yeah people, you don't want to see full length things like these, subscribe, like and share upon your Instagram, your Facebook, all about. You understand? Because actresses, actors, them are go want money, them are go want food. People will get frustrated and if they feel like say or nothing now come from that, they're not going to want to continue. Which is what happens most of the time. That's why I do short films. So if I can't finish everything right away, so like I have to go back and say, oh, we need to continue. And say, you know, I don't feel like do it today. When I pay them, there's no me not feel like do it today, you get me? So, yeah guys, like, share, subscribe, help me make full length movies. And yeah. So, little more. Big up all of the actors them, big up Richie for lending me equipment them. Big up Jutta, big up Rory, big up everybody who participated in the video. Aki and Lawrence really appreciate the help. And big up everybody who are watching now. Big up all the members. Oh, there will be a link in the description if you're interested in being a member. You can definitely check out the description. Membership also, you can contribute a small donation monthly. So you can help me to get these resources. So, yeah. Until then, I hit that from me. Like, share, subscribe, little more.
You know, so I feel like, for all of them, I feel like, say, who will I be people up my mouth?
Worry, I think we know that long time. You think me just see that?
You know, the funniest thing too, we are pitting like they not go think say we are see what going.
Worry, me not to watch them, you know. Because they not set no example, like how we have to take care of them.
I think a joke thing, it look like say we have to take care of them. It's true. Because of the day, I see what man on the internet that so big bad order for the Prime Minister.
Now, me assure you, man, thief to one mad people, them, yeah. From me remember myself, my people, them tell me, say, man, has bring you through the world. And me as a little pitney know that, and that the big man, they don't know that. A little pitney have to go run the world, now.
And yeah, I thought that we just make a serious talk, you know. But what do you think we could have do to help make things better? What do you think we could have do to help them mad people?
Boy, I think about it rough. I think you have to go to school and learn a book.
No, so I will go down back in the yard before me come.
Alright, then, come on.
Rory, mommy say not to left out the yard.
I'm not gonna know when my friend them go over wardrobe.
Mommy say if you not left out the yard, me say come back now.
Oh.
Where is calling?
No, the man from come win off him money, man.
What that for?
Alright, come in, man. I want to lose our fellow could change.
I might tell you lose back pay money to the attack.
Papa, you have a ball field.
So you do everything that you have already?
Yeah, man, I sweep up yard and everything already.
Make sure, you know. I'll have to get to you. But Wallace, you said no, you call you. You don't call you.
Rory! Rory! Rory!
Yo, me I go over ball girl and I come.
You know, so I can't come home, so I have to come out of the yard.
You can't do that, brother. Call me, I go play some football up there, so we are going.
Well, I can't come now. I will get beaten if I come. Yo, go and left me. I go check sitting around this so I come back here.
Alright, me I got a ball girl and make sure so you come in because you tell me say you come, I go pick up on my team. So come a ball ground.
So Don man, how you alone sit down right here so I want to draft you?
Short, you know, say no me one do. And I rest one day I can go things saying car and back down with a fire. But I know say a ball and can ball over money.
So you really take away the whole of the man money?
When you all like money and can ball over it.
Noted. So come at me and play a game now?
What do you mean man, anytime I ready?
I drop me, I didn't even know if to play the game, you have to go show me.
Well, that not like no problem, you know. Like you're a faster enough.
So I'm going differently?
No, as usual, they are going easy enough right and I'm more to a new woman in my life.
You? You don't want nobody. Only thing you want to do is mess with people, girls pick me. If you get someone away from high school, come fix up the table. Come.
My baby, no play, Oh no!
I go up on the road, they're playing figure, you know. Because mommy say no feel left yard. Come, call go on in.
No.
You know, so I feel like you want to make me win the game then. But that's true, I have to go away now.
Yo, you're good man. Next time we're here.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Alright.
Jano, not even did realize the rain fall. True, I go in there one of my long time school friend didn't make me never mash up the mission and sure.
Where's that to me? Me no business about that. A serious mission this you know. Rasta man need for dead. Alright, let me tell you something if you don't know what I'm going. I don't know if you know the brother when named Fires. But me usually drive for him, you see me? And enough styling going. But I know say him have some whole heap of dogs. You get what I say? And that the man there one of them. Him one of the top dog them. I need that the man if it get take out of the picture first. Me tell you say if you just put hey. Ah boy, how am I gonna deal with this now? Give me a strap.
Jano, the thing did sensitive in a man. And that the man they know everything about me. Just make me hold on pan his strap for a little bit, man. Just make me go and hold on pan his strap. Because I couldn't deal with the mission. I have to just go and hold on. Because as I tell you, say, the man they know everything about me. Because me and him used to go to school and the man know my last name, the man even know me live. Yeah.
Alright, here I go. I make you hold on pan his strap. I need you to understand that this matter is sensitive just the same. And you could have bust out head same way, you know, bust out the two of them head same.
So you expect some supposed to bust out somebody head when me and them go to school? Jano, couldn't do it.
You know what?
Couldn't do it.
It's alright, probably me too eager. Probably me too excited to do this. And then again you have a youth. Hold on. You just get the idea, you know. You know what you can do? You can kidnap a youth, you know. You can get the youth and then lure him in instead of a probably buck up and see him nonsense like this again. Alright, here we go. Drive the car, ready.
Yeah, you know, so today when I forward on the block, it's a thing I come for deal with.
So, Miss Meredith.
But you save him. Yeah, so here what? More you tell him to protect you, you see me, because I can run in that anytime.
Hold on. Tuta, come here. Jano.
But that's true because I see you. Yeah, because I didn't want this year, but you see boy fire us. Somebody set me up on a link for deal with a crime with him, you know. Yeah.
Right now, I have to make fire noise, I have to tell fire this, no joke. Isn't it? Right now, joke, I have to protect your son, protect your son, you understand?
Yo, I can't you. Just come make fire now, what going on.
Alright.
Yo, China, Ranjay, me no business push fire there now, you know. Just forward in our yard. No, you know. Alright, my son.
say how this serious.
Serious something this man.
Walk out of here, man.
Hey, you know, something like your nose ring do I wish I buy.
Cool suit, DDs, and Macy's.
So which part they located? Because you know, that nose ring the nice.
Well, cool suit and my business.
Oh.
And sometimes when we run out, we can get your Macy's or DDs where they sell ear.
Oh.
I'm never born in a lace.
Hey.
Shani wore me up a lot.
Oh, so Shani made this sing and them Shani made sing song for Lord God. But I'm gonna start shot the kind of gonna have to come out.
I look damn good, brother. You have the skin, you have the body, you have the body, you have the... You got it all. But you gotta make it, you never make a mistake.
So your boyfriend is?
Me? Never man, Baba. Man a stress, problem and all these things. Me, single, free and disengaged. Right now, I want one white man or one English man. I want real businessman. I want liar.
Well, you man them no matter to me as long as they drive and they have money. Me alright. Cause I don't like walk.
That means if you own a car.
No,
and a car mat.
Don't worry. I shall. In the name of God, Miss Moon.
Let it out in the universe, sister. The man all one man march up here right now and just tell us, say, yeah, you have me own a car mat and me I go put your name on it. Right,
See you so. Call it into existence.
But must so. Other things, you know, so we did all go on the river today, go on a bath and a wash up.
Yo, no, I'm standing on fire.
Fire.
Sorry, my manners, man. Hector Smith, known as Jota. Fire, I'm a virgin still. You see me, I pass through the area, I'm saying that.
Ashley, my name. Ashley.
Yeah, man. What your name?
My name is Care.
Care, for real, man. Tell me, say, fire in the board door.
No fire in there, but we there.
Yeah, we there.
No, we can't take on we, but you know, say, we like your friends still, probably will drive out to that door. And then I'll take a walk. What do you say about that?
How do you know you like?
You me like, man. Me like cheat too, you know, but...
Ready?
What's your way I want so far?
Why you see a car? Why? I see a car.
Brush off your dreams come true.
So, hold on up. Where's the fire in the board?
I'm fire in there, but we there. Come. Wait, carry. I enjoyed that. Girl! Girl, me sick. Get up, me just dream say I come in a...
You did a 6.
Come here, let's go to no, what the best I come up there? You say, girl, me and the man go up on the road and I walk up on the road. The man come ask me for front.
I'm just a dream say I go on with yourself in a girl.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Say any man no go on.
One with what? He want to do it in a car and that type of how he want me go in yard or something. I'm saying no.
Tap in here. Watch this mix up one.
What?
You can duck quack.
It looks like they deal with him.
You know, so I come here and can look for you, though. And when I cross the road, I say, I wait for the road today. Where are they, sir?
Oh, they deal with it, sir.
I can't come on my business. How no rate me as a friend? No, say something walk along.
Yeah, me know say normally duck out, but you duck right out.
Right
Quack
out.
man.
Quack.
I'm jealous
with me and my man.
We love you.
But don't worry yourself. My man loves me.
But your jiggle.
My man loves me.
Alright, quack quack. Watch out. Hey, hey, hey. Got it. Quack quack. Quack, quacky, 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 quack, 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 quack. Yeah.
He's still a quack and go on the car.
No, answer. A dog.
They say girl mix up, but she quacks up.
You know, so do I mix up them so you watch people business too much.
Why about the hair? That's why man can go chat to your own.
Oh no. Oh, babes. You know, so do we are going river though.
I move, man. Which river I go?
Big river, me I go. So you now come with me?
Can't go up on the river now, man. I make a slide up on the end. But me I come back, come link you, man. I tell you, it's something more, man.
You want me? But you don't want to come on river with me.
Yeah, give me something on the river.
One.
Come on, look nice. Come on, look nice. How do you see your name? Quack, quack. You look like you have money. You can't get a drive from.
I have money, man, but what you know? Can't go back way and there.
Back way now what? I have to buy me 2 pounds of chicken for the master.
Oh, yeah, talk some. I have money. Come in the car, man.
Give me money first.
Come in the car now.
2 pounds of chicken, rice,
Yo, your shit better than
little juice.
No, I'm going to show you something. Watch out.
Come,
Watch
give
out.
me.
I'm not joking. A foreign money may I give you quack. Cool, man. Easy, no, man. Just come in the car. What is? Come in the car. 20 euro that.
Alright.
Come in, how much food I can buy our clothes. Come in the
That's
car.
your word.
Come in the car, no,
My
man.
leg kind of lock certain way, so I can't take it home. You know what I mean?
Come in the car. Just come in the car.
Take it on the back. Quack with you. Quack me.
Ready? Hey, you know, something like your nose ring, do I wish I buy?
Wanna buy?
Ask her again.
Yes, sis.
Ask her again.
Oh, alright, 10 minutes.
Ready?
You know, so do
So me, dog.
Ready now.
No talking.
It again. Talk now, Jutta.
I'm sorry about my manners, but my name is Hector
Ashley,
Smith,
my name.
aka Yaman Jutta.
Ready?
my name is Care.
No, I can't take on the weed though, but you know, I like your friend still and I'll probably drive out with her or you know, I take a walk, you see me?
How do you know you like?
You me like, man. I like she too, you know, but...
Ready?
What's the way I want?
Plate, still dirty, come on in. Brittany!
Come in the rapping shop.
No, man, someone, man. Man, no pretty for man, watch out. Game? Nah, man, Brittany not going good. Brittany! No, man. Brittany there. Mama, she got. Brittany! Little girl! Hello. Oh, where you there, son? Eh? Where you there, son?
Me a text snap daddy.
You see how down my house there?
Hold on, this.
You wash plate, you prep bed, you do nothing? You don't for morning?
Suppose if we say no go when your auntie them go say, eh? At that them gonna call me and tell me no say everything you use, you left it dirty and all that and something there. You understand? You're a big girl now, you're 18 years old, you're out school. Brittany, you need to do better, Brittany. You understand?
But me never feel good, Daddy.
Feel good. You see the place where you're there. If you clean, cleanliness is godliness. I mean, I try put in there, but you're not learn. Hey, world normal, you know. Post something happen. But me not do that. How you gonna survive out there? Eh? How you gonna survive? Because right now you can't have to manage yourself. You need to do better now. Yo, go down and clean it. Go down and clean it. Go down and clean it. Okay. I know.
Brittany! 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 What happened to you? What are you doing? So what?
Mommy,
What happened to you?
Daddy up there cousin something that says me start crying and come down here.
Your father really there? But anyway, I run me, I come run and come look for you and say me I come get a check. Because I don't fit depend on people in place. You understand me? So everything good with you, the whole school and sitting.
Mommy done school now.
Done school?
Yeah.
I saw time fly, Pitney. Time fly, man. Me never did know say time fly so fast, man. Just try hold your head up, you know, and keep your foot down. Me know say you no look a young girl going like you know want boyfriend early, you know. Me know say you no look a young girl have a look a boyfriend. Me no see her talk and I go on like you have none. Why boy you look a boyfriend? Tell me, man, cause you can't talk to me.
Yeah, me have one boyfriend in school. Daddy don't know.
And before you go even no further, Miss Ma'am, you not have sex?
We not start yet because me myself don't know nothing about them things there. So we not start it or anything.
Me know say you didn't tell about it, you know. But hear what me I say. Even if you reach to that, please me they beg you. Make sure say you use a condom. You understand me? I mean I really indulge more in mind and not think about man. You understand? Because right now, you have to think about yourself first and higher esteem you have to think about. Think about them, man, because you see what them do to them young. You know, look at your eyeball. Look at your eyeball and see what them do to them little young girl. A disease, all sort of thing. Breed them, left it upon them mother, father, everybody have to jump in and help. Them not help. You understand? So you have to know yourself. You hear me? Okay.
You still not watching me play them? No, sir. Still a girl I get from back to.
Anyway, I get one little phone now. So I can give you my number so you can link me up. You understand? Cause you understand? Things are going bright for me you know.
What's here?
Christ.
Miss Sissy, are you share your kid with you now? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany?
But this man...
What you do here today? What bring you here? What bring you here today? All of a sudden just pop up out of nowhere.
Mister, one reason why I'm there for your property, you know. And that's because I'm a daughter, you know, and I love and you don't understand, you know. You say that you make all of this, you know. You think say nothing, I can look over your place? I don't want nothing here for thief. I don't want nothing here. I don't beg you nothing. Brittany make me there.
Brittany make
And
you
my
there.
daughter.
If you did one there, that day you love the street more than your daughter. If you did one there, you would have there. A party and a floss and all of that, something that you pick
Brittany.
over your daughter. Are you cause everything? You cause everything.
Cause what? Cause what?
She a go along so, she a behave so, and now do what she fi do. You understand? And because me no lick pick me, you know, I prefer discipline them and send them somewhere else go live, you know. Yo, you're gonna make me just send out of the place, you know. Just continue to test my faith, you know. Yo, go on where you go. Brittany, go wash your plate. And last time I tell her, go on where you go, me say. Brittany, go wash your plate. Go on, go wash your plate, Brittany. Watch out. Hey, alright, just lick you with that piece of, hey. Chuck. Yeah, man.
Right, I'm just can't bear this thing right now. Daddy has stressed me too much. Madam did it wrong, my mother. Can't take daddy no more. And I'm just can't bear it. Right now I come out and I can't take it no more. Just can't take it no more. Just, I'm sick and tired of it. Look if you don't see, Insta act up. I'm not around with him, just can't take it no more. I'm out of here. Can't take this no more.
What I plan for tonight, baby?
Just carry back anyway.
I know, baby. I know say a long time I link though. I say no can't go on Fiji night. Yes, sir.
Well, me never, you know, ready and things. But I wonder if I could have wait. No, me ain't ready yet. I'm not ready.
Wait for me, baby. Look how long me I talk. I'm never cheat for you. I tell them about wait, I get you. From me, I never do nothing for disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable. But always do the feel. Look there, as you call me there, you fool. See, most can make a general feel nice in the night. Most can give me a play. Listen, can't go on.
Travis, if you really, really love me and care about me, you must can't wait.
Why? Honestly, I don't understand. I don't know why I'm supposed to wait after me do everything what I'm supposed to do. You see me? So, I don't see the reason why I'm supposed to wait right now. To me, so it seems like you're trying to say, oh, I'm not good enough. You see me? That's how you make me feel, right?
Travis, no, not like that. Me a virgin.
Oh.
So, I'm kind of scared to do it. Understand?
I see. Never know. You see me? But don't worry yourself here. Maybe change. You see me? Oh, I'm gonna fess out with something. Let's see, I'm going for something.
Daddy run out and we didn't have nowhere to stay, so we come here so and they asked them probably could have stayed here for the night. Seriously, girl, your father run you out of your house, spend my time at night here? Don't sit down and look right, yo. Zaffa, come in, because time late. You shouldn't up on the road in time, yeah. Come. So late to wake up, girl? Gosh. I just 10 o'clock. Girl, 10 o'clock late. Me I'll wash clothes and put on the line almost dry. Gosh. So, what you get? I want snacks in my bag when I eat, but would I eat something else, yes? Alright then, if you want something to eat, you can go in the fridge, go look for something. Alright then. Oi, wait there, come here.
Hey, remember so we need to talk about what happened last night because I don't understand why your father would have run out of your house in the late night. You know why.
So when you finish eat, just remember so we have to talk. Yeah? Alright. Alright. Girl, I can't believe your father do something like that. Run your out of your house in the middle of the night. No, we need to get to the bottom of this. We need to do something about this. We don't have a problem with you staying here, no, but we need to know why your father run out of your house. Alright, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you. My father see one video in my phone, right? When I wind up on one boy, you know them thing there something. That not really happen with the video or anything, nothing wrong. You not see me like saying see me in a naked clothes or anything. Alright, so after that now, he see the video on my phone, he start make up be nice and one bag of something, so I walk off because I couldn't take it. I thought be a thing so my mother and something, so I couldn't take it just, you know, walk off and things. So after that now, later down, my mother come look for me. So me and her the one place. Something I talk, I see my father show up. Start disrespect my mother and I run her out of place or something, but she come out her yard, and one bag of something. So me have to really look into myself and say, they must see my father really do in front of his own daughter face. So I said, no. You run my mother out of her place or something. My mother gone. In the night now, me there on the bed lie down. My father just walk in, come drag her sheet off of me, and I tell him to come out and place. He watch me, I pop the bag. And me thinking they tell me say, if you pack up my clothes then when me I go anything, he just watch me pack the bag and tell me to go out and place. And I mean that, this is me end up down here. Never know say my father would have do that. Never know say he would have do that. Girl, it don't matter. You just turn 18 or you fend for yourself or you find food to eat and then something the girl. Can't work, girl, it can't work, man. We need to go down to the station right now. Man. Oh, we can't go down there like this. We need to find something with sleep, so I go for my sweater. We have something to do with night on important, so you know it take me around 10 or 15 minutes. So I meet at the police station, so you can just go and let me come down there. Here? Brittany, make sure you don't play with me, you know. Make sure you don't play with me because this is pretty crucial. Make sure you meet me down at the station. Alright.
You know, say God know man right now. You better just come out of me and go and buy your business, man. God know, cause after I see a young man turn around the road when I yo, you better just go on here, man. You see me? Don't touch me, say just go on your ways, brother. Just go on your ways, you see it? Cause I can't believe you do me that, you. God know, you a foul person, I never expect you to do that, you see me?
Travis, you know, so I never mean nothing by it. I not tell you no lie. I not even know how it happened, it just happened. You just push your tongue in my mouth. No mean nothing by it.
I can't tell me say that no mean nothing, you.
I just want a little kiss. You don't mean nothing.
Yo, you're lucky, you know. Can you say for there a certain man, your face tear off already. That, yo, you're lucky you can't come stand up in me and chat to me. You see me? You better just go away.
Travis, look for me now. You remember say, you did say we want a break, not true?
Alright, Stacey. Here I go. Just give me a little space, man. Let me just process this whole thing, cause you see right now, I not think straight right now, you see me? Because I just never expect you to do that, you see it? So just give me a little space. That's all I ask right now.
Alright, Travis. I will give you space to think about here. I will check you back later here. Or I call you. I can call you later. I just want you to get the time to think about things here.
Yeah, I just need to process this whole thing, isn't it?
I call you later, you go answer me.
You never might know.
Can I get a hug before I go?
Just go on, Stace. Just go on, man. Yeah, Soapy. Yeah, my Jenna, you don't see my daughter pass or so?
No, dear from man, I know something to see her.
Yo, alright. If I see them, I look for you and can't find her, you know.
You don't know if you see her?
Yeah.
I'm going to link you.
Alright, brother. Alright, I'm get one nice soup, them, here. Alright, enough respect. Yeah, man.
Well, I can't call now forget Brittany no father number. Oh.
Hello? Miss Anja, you don't see Brittany come around and tall. Find yesterday, man. You don't see her in tall. Alright, no problem. Oh, Tim, so I go on, brother. You don't see Brittany, yo. You don't see Brittany? Hey, Brittany could have there. Mommy. Brittany come around yesterday? No. She didn't wear her mother by the way, man. So I'm not so see her right now. I'll call her.
Travis! 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 You may call Travis phone and now get there. Travis!
How would that call? What way? How Brittany that? How Brittany find me out? No, sir. How Brittany find me out now? Brittany, how you doing, sir? Where you even found upon me live?
I must say the time I say a white hall I live. I just come a white hall and show some people a picture and they say, yeah, right, I say you live.
You didn't even call me and tell me say you're forward. I want me.
See, you had dropped me off last night. Well, I never did some live and my girlfriend lived there with the same. I stayed there for the night and things, so that's it. I'm forward over here. So you know, let me in.
Yeah, man, I can't come here, man.
So much for the carry this.
I know, say, whether I may drive and I swing out a one dog and I just licking a one patrol, all I front end mash up. So I have to leave here, but
So you see you live?
Yeah, man. Base this one. Not too bossy still no, but yeah, I try work to set it up one thing, man. Mine's this one, is it? Yeah.
So one kind of just scare me here so last night more than we got a guest house.
God no be. Place not too safe in the night, you know. You see me? They want to come run us with them hours a night, you see me? So let's say, oh, let's bring up my guest house, man. Now worse, more I feel comfortable, you see me? Yeah. So, be how long you plan to stay because nobody expects you to forward and them things, you see me? And me calling some people to come work on your house and things, you see me? So, how long you plan to stay?
So Travis, suppose we want to stay here for a little while. Yeah, Travis say you can't stay here or something for a week or a couple days.
No, be. I never say you can't stay, but you just show up unexpected when a big things are going on and mama say me tell us some people are going to work on you or something, you see me? And I say the place stay, place want to set up one thing, but if there's somewhere you want to stay, you can find somewhere for you to stay.
So, you can't stay here for the night.
Maybe of course. You can't stay for the night, man. Cook something mucky and dumpling and make you get feeling with it. I wonder if you look again with a leak off already. Young man worried in our place. Yo. Hello?
Yeah, ready for this. She come here late last night and she say you run her out of her house.
What you talking about? Me run out data. Me run out no data. So where she run there?
No, she down there here. Me and she need to meet up in her town. But me don't know which part she gone.
So she left and not tell her where she go? Alright. If anything me call about, let's get me head together, yeah.
Different level, you know that? Yeah, dog, me I tell a dog from what day, I try to tell her, say, yo, you need to take the music seriously. So I say, dog, yeah, man, because I don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust there now, and I be a fuckery dog I sing right now. So when you deal with the thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I have to do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year. You see what I say?
See that funny black man? What's me asking my
Well, I
face
don't
up?
even know who she, you know, but, you see me? But remember, I tell her, say, you know, dog.
Grandma! Grandma!
Oh, yeah, who they call? Chin? You rich man. Come in, come in, come in, come in.
Go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No,
Up top, you see me?
You know what's going on?
You know you're in your feet, so.
Yeah, do me happy to see your grandma.
Okay, come in, man. Put on the suitcase. If you sit down and talk. You can sit with me?
Yes. Mommy send something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
Yo, You know?
Yeah.
My face looks so sour.
I know so she a come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I don't really like to know what is going on because me welcome in you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and me welcome you, but as you see time kind of stiff and the little work they want me to do, the little egg then now sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my
grandma.
grandson here to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer house. So then this yam 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 every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and stay in here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
No, mommy no money and you send me down here so if you go and look for work feed me in time when me down here. So me just come down for my work and I can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you about. I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People then come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake every now and then and sell. And me have the little put them money what they give me, but me have the bills them to pay, the water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill, all of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so me not go treat you bad. Me don't try not to treat you bad, but remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people, because me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then go they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give and me can tell you that. So as long as you will obey me and hear what me say,
Yes,
and not go out of the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and you
behave
get along.
myself, grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church, so you know, when you long out your mouth when we wake up and many time to say, follow me go to church.
Grandma, me will behave myself, me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me I go do it. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out of the house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church, and me not left here. Because I know say when they say you alone there, then go there fishing at my gate. And I don't want nobody at my gate there fishing, because no fish not over here. So keep them away from my gate, because I know they harbor shot them were there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So remember that. Remember me tell you.
Yes,
remember me warn you on this first day you come.
No,
so
grandma,
can't say me no warn you.
I have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them listen there on my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But any you come down and breathe.
Why you talk so, grandma?
You go see, because I don't know how you
Don't like that, grandma. You know if you say them sitting there, grandma. If you think positive.
You can't take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for the straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself and on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them sitting there they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them here down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so what you need to see up there so come in. Now which part of the son will live? Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna live. So me don't know. But at the moment with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
so me will show you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
See more?
Me can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get you. Just wait me pass the delivery.
See more? See more? See more?
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying the suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she is still.
Miss Ponce.
Hello? Yeah, girl, I reach. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I reach up. I wish what did you say again? No, St. James. Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man up the door. Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and markets, them drive. Well, just try and see if I can get one of them. No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. Just I go and easy myself. Be there with the miserable woman. He miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to come breed and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Punsy. Miss Punsy.
Yeah. Well, on the girl. I'm going to smell your car. Yeah, man. Alright. Take care of yourself. Alright.
Miss Punsy.
How that?
You know what I say? I want Miss Punsy me to do and talk to. But look here there. Look here there now.
Where the actor?
Miss Punsy.
Nobody over here saying name, so.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, I do it. That's why I see how pass a while ago.
Yeah, don't they say they look for me?
You're supposed to know, say, I'm not joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left it up. So you look over the place, so you're afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish I could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably. Go on your number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get your number.
Tell them.
Mr. Chino, what I really talk to my man.
What?
See her the grandma.
But see her. I thought she bright. What do you want to do? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. Then look for what you already talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, nothing do him.
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You have
Stick
to
up
know.
in. Few time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What you going there, so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So all your reason, he not tell you nothing? Oh, you come here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hear them? You see them like push but coat nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me job. Just go on in. You say go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. You want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at you, what's happening on my dog neck and choke you. Yes, you know. Where you for? Look here, take time, go down back little further this way. Where you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me to come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You dey come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Her mama concern her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage with it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try no come back and me gate, you know. Now make me see you and me gate again. Oh,
disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy about to come and me gate. Tell them where they go. Lord Jesus, me say, the legal list arrive and it start already. It start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down from?
I don't have to talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come like ask about Miss Punsy. So I just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsy, nobody knows why
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsy. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsy. So make you fly up and go.
Just start we are talking, you know. Just start.
And for you go there, you have to do things so nobody name some walk come back in. You stand up out there, keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other end because when they see you, then go and give you a nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breed me to you get, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go and go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I meditate get.
Oh.
You see you're gonna go not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what she means going on. She kill up herself. But when you come down here fast. She alright.
So we can link up on our time.
Why? So she stay me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to no.
Alright, then I see a word.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later.
Chat.
Babes, are really afraid right now?
Remember, say tell me, say I'm on a police, you know, and you work late shift last night, and you soon forward.
Oh shit, me not to remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come, put on your shoes. Already?
Wagwan! Eh? I come to lock up the VGG, you see. But anyways, it's the red money I come to give you, because I really don't like, come down here and say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know.
I make a start out the rent, but I'm lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know, so no more that gear, but my period come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent
No,
due.
I like your lips, sir. I really like your lips, sir. So nobody tell me about no period. And now, make period do period business, I am about the more business. So you say,
Babes.
listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And you get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
I know the problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look as special now because today's a hot day to beef ball.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom because my Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only Duggan Road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish for them. And if I want to drive blue parallel down there, sir.
Yes, man, I him same one. But what you know about him? Which division him? I may ask you too much question here, sir. Just give me a special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, what man, scan you scan me?
Not scan you. But I never scan you. But you just this me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. One something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. Okay, so you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, say you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, sir. Eh? Who will take me for?
I'm not growing it, babes.
Listen,
You know
listen. Right? You could have tell me from the start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend on, but you're not serious business. Anyways, I let go, yeah?
Alright, babes, love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Man has a respect.
Hey, you, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp, just be careful. Play your game, play right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
That's so much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Papa!
Yeah.
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here we going now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here we go, I'm not on choice. But I don't know if you can lend me one 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you can see your home already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000. Which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and Travel Fox and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? In a grade 7, you remember them days? I lend them things them and I get them back, you know. And you tear them on fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I don't want to help me. Yo, you really don't want to help me? Tell me for you why.
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget then this man. But remember, say enough money you owe me. A whole heap, you know. I don't like say I want to look at chunk change. The money where you want me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I have to go for your money around. So I will let you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right here, so I go for your money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me don't want to look at hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send it with that.
Yo, respect our manners to the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, no you say, I'm going to pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Because you know what I mean, I work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So talk to you, come on. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back and no more money for borrow again. That's all I know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, I win at the court date.
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, so if you get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly.
it.
Yeah, sister. And your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think they don't know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, I know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I'll figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know sister them currently want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan to get it clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Look like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them your hand too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some of the time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You go on here. Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, you know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like say if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not do it for a little bit of nothing. But anyways, I'm going to make some call.
Wake up. Wake up. The get up, I need to spread up the bed. Because you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something I gonna do. You lie down and sleep. Big and lazy for you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. I want to spread up the bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. I can't take them and sit here no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I mean, the ask time because you're bigger, you don't know time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
How which shoes that you're asking about? I mean, help take care of your foot?
Alright, it's my boot there, man. Because you see, you love take big song go on like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early in the morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Me tired, man. More just, yo, I hear me. Just do what you do, answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just because your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. Yo, I hear me. Just give me some time, yeah, sir. I wake up myself properly because early in the morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So wait, say food I start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. That be good. National dish, tin mackerel, saltfish. I don't know what's going on with it. Something wrong, but yeah, it's rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel, and you they come. Where you think about pepper? Pepper every day. Me no want you nothing about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as nearly. Me tell you that you go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes. Some people I'm grateful, listen, man. And people in Africa right now, they be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now, tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me. You chat too much.
Chat can't too much. You never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk on this early.
I'm a friend.
Yo, mama, I know say man probably there, but just go on like one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What man?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things are going on, you know. What you say now? We can't come check you later.
The phone did this. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man is man.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. God know? Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I want to know who that best friend is.
You go on like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm a friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena. No Angelina.
And the
Tangelina?
same girl you always see me with.
Girl?
Mm-hmm.
That you say? I want to see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name, but a she name Angelina. Matter of fact, I question about your friend them.
I want to see that best friend. It's alright. Know yourself. But they are dark, must come a light. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to? Yeah, drop a head, but come out and come see. And come check me.
I lucky things
You're busy with your best friend, not you?
I lucky things that me did wake up you. If you glad to wake you up, I lucky thing me wake you up because maybe you'd have kissed again.
It's a cross history, teacher. And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside little while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come hear something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good, man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, sure, man. Best friend.
Yo, mama.
But I don't want girls.
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey. I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss. Alright. Yeah, man, guess what now? My name is Kemar and this is a public report, right? So if you're over by AV watching this short film, I want you to go over by Public Report Official, and that's public with a K. There will be a link in the description, alright? So guess what? Go over there and subscribe, please. You'll get this and many more videos like this over there, so, alright? So go and jam with me right now, quickly. We'll be jamming, yeah, over AV or Public Report Official, yes.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. Me I tie up. You two of you at the same time and that you don't realize. You chat, me chat. When you go chat, you first want to chat around me. How you go? Okay, Mosh. You know say I say go already.
Me want this to blow.
Come. You're rough.
All ton?
Best friend, not the best friend of
Big boy.
No, girl. Angelina. No. Hello.
What? I want the blood clot. No, God. Get up.
Miss Angela, this is...
Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business, but I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time me pay about 75,000. Me have my receipt.
But you are late. You are a couple of weeks late.
So to become late, so no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy on.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector,
will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Miss Angela?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Me can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. We are going to go on for we. You know what to do, Mommy?
I stress the people, them stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the ILO and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money then now go work out. Me not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him different long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, Mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them are going to kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me at the road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, Mommy, I have one little one skull me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but me know say he have money, he have things. But me don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I gotta do that. 4 months now, me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, Mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer. And you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, Mommy? Where learn them this style from? You're the bad. They look like you're the bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call him, you did it then. Call the man.
I'm going to call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What do you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something.
What kind of thing that? I don't think I said in the shop.
Nothing like that.
You know I'm pregnant though? Okay, why father?
What do you mean, why father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember say, when me and you do it,
well, I guess the births are something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. Maybe not sleep with. Yes, me will come link you. Yeah.
still sexy.
Always. Alright. Public. Public.
But wait. my God. How you come in? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come in, come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch your man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain?
Mm-hmm.
My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brethren talk about them water, them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water it, but I'm tonight.
I know easy at all. But on a serious note still, 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, I tell you me I feel pain and everything discomfort. I kill me right now, me sitting here so. Right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if you could get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you to stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? They want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice, man. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can get me a true juice?
True juice and I get some true juice. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, it sound good, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
I don't want to stress out the baby, not at all. I don't want the baby hungry. Yeah?
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And I the belly be sure my belly flat like for me.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it you know? If it of a true man.
Mommy, you work for you, you know? Right now, KFC and go and buy. Alright.
What going people? Pick up on yourself again. I'm in a nigger town just before lockdown. Police them a make them presents. Police them a make them presents felt over there so. So no can look what go on in a nigger town at the meantime. What really are going is that yeah people, town busy. Everybody I try going before the lockdown, so I like want to rush our business. But really and truly, when I down here, says me I catch up with Richie because I do some filming at the town. So we're gonna look see what I'm going with the new Black Magic 6K Pro stash. How does it? Cameraman, what you do? You don't see a lockdown time I come? Police them down there, so you know.
I say higher powers to be there, alright, and well fed, you know, so we have to feed ourselves.
Alright, Mr. Brown. So it look like I beg your pardon, miss? No, we are film. Why? Them are the movie. So if you go up on Richard Brown Films on your phone, you will see it. No, serious. Like movies, Jamaican movies. Yeah. So, boss over there, so they all look like a brown man and the other girl in my films them.
England not really go on, so nobody will hand anymore.
No.
And I think said nobody don't hold hand. But you look weird and it's sun hot with this.
Yeah.
Like some mad people.
Go on, come here, what do you I may ask her why she have on green and it's a sun hot there, you know.
So Richie, you're not afraid like when you have on your mask or nothing?
Mask, yeah, I'm afraid of what?
Eh?
COVID.
Amount of people are there now.
COVID. Listen, you know.
I joke, my mask not here, I go for mask.
My mask not here, but you know people.
Let me go for. No, I'm not unroll, I put on the mask. Rest your camera. Mr. Lawrence, nah, unroll. But I might not hear me too clear now, but hello. Police and still the boat place. Ask him about the camera and how it works. What go on, my boss? Yeah, we're finding out about the camera. So, that's in the camera. We have no movies yet, we can look on that
No,
been
this
shot
is the
with
first one I actually have a shoot. We need some more batteries, so we can take my good time with it, but I use it to shoot that one, the first one.
Alright, so what experience using the camera?
It's nice. It really feels like when you have a brand new toy,
Yeah.
you can play with it, feel good.
Yeah.
So long as you take a change, man.
This sun red down here, people, so don't let come down here without a bucket of water. Hot and miserable. One bag of lockdown business. What you mean, Andrew? Go and do it. So, Mr. Brown, meanwhile, we're going to wait for the actress for change. Tell what go on. What kind of movie this you shoot?
Well, I think it's one of them typical Caribbean type story, you know, of struggle.
Okay.
You know, of one, a struggle from a female perspective in terms of all the abuse and family struggle we then go through.
Oh.
So it's a story based upon that, and I think it's very relatable. A lot of females who've been through the same situation now can relate to it.
Okay. Alright, so I hear that. Go and look forward to that movie.
How long does it take to change one shirt?
I don't know. I wait for actress for change, people. No, sir. A while ago, I see her kick up her foot them in the ear. She did this her change, people. Watch him a ball out to me for top video. And I probably can't see her friends. So I'm zoom some more, see if I can see. So,
yeah, it's here. Right your mask.
Get on forward. The favor massacre like. Whoa. Hey, my friend. You can't vex with me, you know. I feel me how you plan on my infringe pan and mama. You're going like say, oh, I me do the thing. I don't me do it, man. Days and face. Come hurry up the people, I'm sure. She wanna go take pictures for the beach, people. Fret, you. So we have followed them. Anywhere they ain't go with them, I go with them.
I went to man.
Oh, right, I can't go in there people in film.
Hold on, don't walk up your neck. Hold on. Should I use to them? Them love it over so.
You say people nowadays no hug up. No hold hand and hug up. We get a look on the 6K screen here, people. If we can't make out nothing on it. I can't see nothing from here, so. Come like, hold hand.
You say you're not used to them hold hands. A basic school people hold hand?
Should I get a look on the screen? Alright, so your town still people well busy. That I go on in the girl town, huh?
Alright, we are putting that again. Where are the pass? Where are the stop? Where are the stop? Come back again, man. Where are the stop for?
What you understand?
You have a mask. You have a mask. I look at the man here for the number one.
You have to call the people in brown man and you don't call them.
Yeah, for the number, brother. What the number on them phone? What should I keep?
I'm come out of people I'm seeing.
How are you have video?
Video. Mama, smile.
Alright. Don't mind me getting them money out, man. I want to do that. Come here. Ready? Run the farm, Master.
Hey, you will take this up.
No. Go farm, Master.
Look, clever.
No, Master, I'm here.
Height me a van.
No, more than one, Master, I'm here.
John was star.
Oh dear, hot like a fire, brother.
So, as you can see people, it's on a day with me one way. One time I can walk go back. And nice still.
I'm fully protected.
A vaccine if I go take. Why name of that cake place, Richie?
OMG.
OMG?
Oh my god.
Yeah, so people, we're there inside of this pastry place named OMG Negri. So, Mr. Hoden, a Black Forest this?
This one? Black Forest.
How much is a slice of Black Forest?
500.
Oh, yeah,
cake or ice cream?
Black Forest.
Where is she?
Hey, hey, no. I want to get every mess up on if I do over this scene. So I'm going to feed him ice cream or what?
No, change up.
Hold on, me. I want to know what bird feeding or what.
No, it's a regular feeding. We're not over it.
And that means saying.
No.
Me can't ask question.
It sounds like fire.
Don't do that. Come on.
So we're looking at this one?
Yeah, we're looking at it. And then probably find one.
Yeah, that kind of.
Yeah, but step forward. You step forward. Right, stay aside.
Oh, okay, blue nose people.
Point forward, ready?
Miss, how much is Black Forest?
Black Forest cheesecake is $5.20.
Come on, good man. We're not some chatting. Where's my...
What is this? Is it good?
Yeah, you're good. Alright.
The one outside is good too?
Yeah, I'm just getting a walk.
What you mean, brown man?
What are they?
Get a wife a Black Forest cake.
Black Forest cheese or Black Forest?
Black Forest cheese.
Black Forest cheese.
Cheese.
Please. Listen, after I make my plans, I go on beach go take picture.
What do you tell them already?
This Rasta man come talk with the way I go shoot video. And that never in my vocabulary, in my
so when I come up and stare at this and talk now?
I don't want to care up in my face.
But if I come up, it's going in your face.
Alright, go man. You just catch your hand. You not catch your face right here, man. Unless you want.
Nothing.
Okay.
You know just like trade them, mom.
You're afraid of camera, you're running for the camera, brother.
She don't want famous.
Take how the money on and push it here. Take out your hand. Look at it. Put the money here. Put the money here. What are you going to put the gear on it?
No, shower, she nervous.
That's good, that's good. Where's the cake? Where's the cake? Where's the cake?
One more, please.
What's that thing there, miss?
What?
Is it that oven?
Yes, it is.
No, it's an oven.
You start by saying you just always saying that. Are you ready to get it? No more? Hey! The cake is alive already.
What you ready? Sit there.
May I talk to you?
No, sir.
Oh, can I sound so loud?
Sit there. Oatmeal raisin. I got 3 whole tea in here. Here you go.
This thing is here.
Alright, so let's go kitchen off. So when you come out, when you just go so. Here. When you come out, when you go so.
Pretty piece of corona. Yo, and I think them will never get old to me people. I like when, you know, normal people, because if you're not creative, you're normal to me. My opinion. When normal people walk on a pass and just them will look one kind of way. And then I just hear one old man over there, so of course, say, oh, you don't know what them money are doing in camera.
I'm going to video with the mask.
Andrew.
Yeah, me already, my dance machine, mate. Ready?
Andrew, Mr. Brown, say.
Because she don't use it, nobody open more car.
No, I've been leaving my little baby.
How me not catch that? Hey, look up ahead.
Come back, man. Chop. The bro man up in the video and lick up come back. Alright, ready? Ready, ready?
Yeah, police, them are coming up. The police officers are coming. So, me a scoot. You see me? Can't take no longer cars now.
Alright, ready? My father lens, don't you? Yeah. How much got here? One? So you have to go to my team there.
Yo, give me a piece of that black purse and a black purse. Come on.
Black purse. Would I burn a king side of shop?
Comes the burger. But yeah,
if you are orange, it's like, oh, boom, girlie.
Can't ask him.
Yes, I'm
Some people look like I this for the shoot, this for the behind the scenes as well. Yeah, I bought it up. So I guess I just some like a miscellaneous around the town, the busy town and all that.
Where was they? Where was they? Right. Yeah. My tax business rough.
Yo, I'm telling you. I'm going to go and go to a nigga spot there, you know.
Alright, go after the man.
Go do it.
Shoot me and shoot. I work going, yeah. What's up?
Why the old school though?
Yeah. They were a little bit smaller though.
But the quality terrible.
Yeah man, the quality nice man. Especially for edit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bad man.
You look, put that camera up on face.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Fight, you gonna fight me. Massacre little sister.
You lick out there already, you know?
The man never lick out there.
But I better take a camera out of my face. You go fuck out there.
I feel like I'm the war if a man box my DSLR out of my hand. If I not point to pan man, you want war. Would a fight.
The brown man can't walk, come on there. And the Becky and the bully and the campus.
Alright, so
when you go over the side of film, I don't want 15 minutes out of my phone out of it.
Yes, now, Mr. Brown.
I'll tell someone I want 15 minutes with my phone, BTS, I'm done.
Oh, the bad iPhone. Oh, yeah, pose up and I'll do.
But still I want the camera in my face.
Take off, stop touch my lens now. I don't dirty up the lens, you know. Tell if you mag about it. We're up on the beach now, people, but I don't think I'm going to do much recording because we have music playing in the background. I don't want that video to get demonetized. And then the wind sound, I know that the wind from the breeze fully for distortion, so probably just make this in a B-roll, like just B-roll everything here. So visuals and music, probably. This is what we're going. No, I want to call no.
Tap, hold on.
My friend said, you can't stay in the water too long, you know.
Only upper body, me I say. I'm not show them nothing.
Don't video me. Come on to my face.
Say you love walk up in the camera, say man. Watch him. Alright, so that's what them do the shooting.
Send me the police is more than business with nothing going. No, that's what I think I mean. Say, when they put me the police and how my mindset stay. Come on, girl. I don't care about nothing. People want out in a curfew and do them up.
Here, brother, sing me, girl.
Alright, so get up and go down.
No, girl, I'm too heavy for you.
Wait. Yes, almost, yes. Like. The camera never want to choke. Take too long to start.
Oh, so then 6K Pro, yeah?
Alright, so this is a camera enough to run and gun at you.
May I say this camera was made, I hope you plan for third man.
Production camera.
Yeah, long before you turn on, you have to plan for turn on.
Yeah man, it's a production camera, it's not a run and gun camera.
This camera is not, don't waste my time. Make sure you know you want to shoot.
I'm going to buy one next year. These are the serious product.
Eh?
I don't like the fact that you're the man take out and all the
No, here we go.
Can sit down too much.
Stop. We have to take up Alton style. How we do?
Yeah.
Must have everything.
Yeah.
Take up Alton dirty style.
So walk out of people in body.
When you shoot with them. Right now, and action. It's like when I have the police at the chance and Richard runs through the hat.
Yeah.
No, I like when you whisper in her ears and she smiles. No one say me. I don't know what you tell us.
But I don't like hair. I don't like hair wally.
See me one, yeah.
That's worse.
Alright, so he said, what we want to do now? Is right with that sunlight, then down the sun, put down the side, two on the wall, man, and face each other. And get close. What? Yeah, go on down the sun now, do not.
And what is? Is the Shakespeare?
Might as well, come, go down there. What is this Shakespeare? You want a stone? What if this is Shakespeare?
Yeah, you have to share my arm.
They say you want to walk and shake your ass, you just back right up on him back.
And that, yeah, same too.
Give me right after here, right after here. But I need that one, but you lift her up, like so. You want to lift up there? Yeah.
The man ready.
The man, go on. Yeah, spin her, spin her. Alright, what do you mean? Yeah. Alright.
Let's take him and dash him in the water now. Let's dash him off in the water.
Put him in the water, son. Don't throw him in the water. Can't find out for your back.
Bro man, come like him free that water. Saying can't go in that water. What? What's it? My hair spread no room. What's that?
Alright, good, that's good, that's good. Alright, if you're going in the water, go in the water. Hey, carry those lift up, nothing there, carry?
Nope. Nothing there.
Yo, if you're in the water, go in the water and then no, we can ready and go.
I go and wait for now to say, man. Later. Bye. Bye.
Oh, we never go in. Like that, man. I tell you, be never turn it down it, man.
You know what I mean? List out the amount of time you let me in.
I want to be even a man. I tell you, see me and start out that day.
I don't know talking with you. You know how long? You say you're going to give me the thing and I know I can't get it?
You know, say, I'm die and I know. So me buzz up back later, hear that?
Alright, babes. I can ask you something. Yeah, me ear one do and my fingernail and my toenail, you know, say me a hot girl and there's something they want change and something. So what you say? You gonna buy them for me?
Yeah, man. Anything you want, man, we deal with
Okay, baby. Alright. Love you. Later.
Alright, babes.
Yeah, man. I get that one call. Hold on.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Okay, I can't bother with the whole heap of delay thing, you know. If I say you do something, I want you to do it. And if you're not going to do it, nobody tell me say you're going to do it and don't do it. You hear me? I don't have time for this. Bye.
What go on, brother?
I'm not even so good still.
So, you're not gonna link me then, brother? Once you link me, you know so we can get the link them connect, you know, dog. Just give me a link. I'm there for my base, you see it?
I give you a link. In a few minutes, I put on 2 pieces of clothes and link you. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Jaja.
I plan for him already, man. I know, but the time the things. I have a plan for him, but thanks anyways.
You know, so you may have for babes. Should I go down in the town, I wonder if you want some can grab it for you.
The money we are going to take buy something on the road, you can take it by a pack of Pampers.
I'm gonna rank it, they look full. Hello? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. I have a week. You know, say 100,000 a pound though. I can't do nothing better than that, brother. And you are going on, you are going, you know, say my top deliver that. Because too much police there on the road, so you know, say you have to come for it. Yeah, man, I didn't think they are going, brother. And remember, you know, 100,000 in and 90 and 80. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, man, no worry, man, we link, man. Alright.
Yo, Baba!
Yo! Me forward, me forward.
You know, so I'm not even about checking.
You know, say everything there, daddy, to your last penny. Everything there, man. So you don't have to worry yourself. See you, boss?
Alright, then, me done. So, no. Yeah, man.
Say a word.
Can walk or no?
Happy birthday, Grandma. Yeah, man, I miss you, man. So what go on? I'm gonna send you something for your birthday, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Boy, what the must cost me? The must cost me to bombard. Yo, the must say every time I cut to the show them shot. Let me explain. Don't lose faith, people. Do not lose faith. So, I mean, I know if Richard tell you, no, but the movie making thing is a very expensive undertaking. Because of that really going on the money run out. Well, I mean I say on the money. Well, yes, because you know what the video and the ad revenue thing and things. So, run out of money. The thing is, if you try to approach it like spend what you have now and then wait till you get somewhere and spend later, that can pose a number of problems, and this is the reason why. Hold on, the people, let me breathe. So you spend now because you know if you move from point A to point B, make sure actors them, actresses them alright, forget different location to cost. So you spend on that to get the movie started, and then your money run out, so you say alright, you go wait until you get some more money, you continue. This is the problem now, and this is how I reach me. So it's not like these, well, let me say actors and actresses, potential or aspiring actors and actresses, because it's not like these individuals like them sit down and wait for them to say, oh, come act. Them have them life, them have them work and things what them do. So even if you get everybody at the same location on the same day, it poses a little bit of difficulty because people have different lives. So just for schedule and get all of that done. Yeah, so when you spend a one wait later, the thing is because different people, different life happens, you see me? So probably something changed about a character where I got throw off the story. You have to think about to get the next character. Because it's not like so we sign contracts here, not people. But we have people bound if you do this or do that, you get me? So yeah, so are the person just not available or something happen, them do something different, them just not available, you get me? So that are the thing. It's a very expensive, but you learn a lot though. The experience, even though I never get to do a full movie, I realize the experience is nice, and even doing it like going about it from this perspective, you learn a whole heap of things. But yeah, people, I don't know what say, I love the camera. I'm a girlfriend that I always have her. And yeah, so what I'm going to try and do now is, you know, produce some short films, try entertain, you know, and share the content people and like them. So money is less of an issue. So yeah, what I'm going to try to do is produce some more short films and all of that. So I can save up some money until I think I have a really budget out what I really need. And then go at the full length movie. Because when I realize now, like I get it, you see me? The film aspect of it, the storytelling aspect of it, you know, like the whole filming thing. Like me feel like I have it done now. Well, I not feel like I have it done. Like I can do it. So that's another issue. It's just like the money and if you have the people them to tell the story. I love that. So yeah, people, don't lose faith. Don't lose faith. Lawrence I work on a nice full length movie for you. But until then, like the video them for me, please. Share them on a social media platform. Subscribe for your first time. And I don't know if you have no suggestion as to how we can go about this where it is not so costly. I would really appreciate you telling me that in the comments. So until then, I shall see you now. Remember to do all the things and to make YouTube send a video all over the place. So yeah, until then, me see you now. Big up on yourself. Lara gone. Problem for it up and I feel like me have arthritis already. Men's need to exercise.